Welcome back, faithful viewers. What's up, you beautiful people? It's me, Sean, and I'm here in 401 Whiffin Private.
Welcome back, you beautiful people. Today, we're at 2067 Scully Way in Orleans. I brought some friends along to come and show it off. Brendan, Jess, let's go inside. You can see them. I don't fucking of Scully and Mulder. So this house is, who fucking?
Got a couple of aliens inside.
Oh, there we go. Okay, good, perfect, thanks. Welcome back. No.
Yeah.
We're on the corner of Scully and Mall. And share this with anybody who you think might like this unbelievable view. Wow! Lots are huge.
That's right, Sean.
Excellent.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Brendan McKeegan. I'm gonna start that bill in Manhattan Square. I just said that. It's 401 Whiffin Private. Oh my God, singular. Lots, I mean 3. There are 3 grocery stores. I'm talking too much.
Go.
I feel like I need like hock a big loogie.
Do it. That's what I've been doing.
No, but okay.
Welcome back, you beautiful people. Just paddling up to our new listing at back, you beautiful. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Today we're at 74. No, just
Fun times here, listing videos.
docking. Not the first time you and I have been docking, eh, Elliot?
What's docking me?
Welcome back, you beautiful people, to Haven in Knowlesbrook. It's not Knowlesbrook. Who might be interested, we're going to introduce. Wow. And we're even introducing a new term.
Fuck, you said a lot.
I did. Thanks, Sean. I don't fucking know what to say. Help me.
With us below in the comments. Book an appointment with us. Huh?
This home could be yours.
You've done these before.
I've never done this before.
Are you in or out?
I'm in, man. Okay. I'm not going out.
You should say, hey, I'm here.
Okay, yeah, good idea.
Actually, I would make a chess term, but I've never played chess in my life, so. Okay, like start? Oh, sorry, Phil. I'm sorry, your tape's rolling. Okay, ready? Okay. We've also got this flex space. Okay, out to your parking. Ow.
Exactly what you want in this home. It's got good bones already, and if you know anything about bones, they keep a house up. Fan of wood with your magic sleigh, so I wanted to impress you with the wood that's been happening in here. Also, more wood. I keep saying wood in a sack.
You've been a very good boy.
Beautiful big window, which actually goes beneath it. You can see another window. What? 2 windows? It's crazy. That was dumb. In the kitchen here, plenty of space for you to get your meals together. Behind you is another place where you can work. So, this is pretty great. Quartz countertops, white. I didn't know where I was going at.
Wow. Sure is wide.
Yeah, we are.
Can you like not make the faces back there? Wait.
You can skip the landing bit though.
Yeah, it was, yeah. Okay. Now I'm a little.
Quiet on the set. We've got 3 generous sized bathrooms. Nope. Anything's a bathroom if you piss in it. Anyway. Up here.
What do you mean? Hey, Elliot, I just found Brendan's OnlyFans.
Come on. Ready for my sponge bath.
Great thing about buying a home like this, a house like this, not a home. Great thing about buying a home like this is
House.
that. See, the great thing about buying a home.
Why don't we just both get in here and I'll help you?
It's gonna be more talking.
No, it'll be less. Less is more. More is less.
All right. so you know what you're getting into. You see, what you see is what you get. In some cases, bring back the way it was before, or you can put it back together a different way. Because there's fucking, I just keep wanting to say, almost there, guys. I'm almost there. No, I'm almost there. That's right.
You already have a really good idea of what's going on.
Yes.
There's no guesswork. What you see is what you get. You're not worried about what's behind the walls. In some cases, there are none.
Okay, see you later. That's good. Great take. This family bathroom is perfect for the kids. You got a great tub. You've got a great tub and what is this? And a great view and lots of Oh my!
Why do we come sit on Santa's lap? I don't think I'll be doing that, Santa. Why am I in here? He checked it twice and he made this bathroom look really nice.
Mm-hmm. I have nothing to say.
I'll tell you about it.
All right.
Go take a look.
Good?
I don't know.
Sleep, damn it. Just fall asleep. All of this extra space for you to use however you'd like.
Are you happy?
No, I'm not. Hey! What took you fucking What the fuck? Just floors.
They are.
This is a killer basement space.
Yeah, it's a great rec room.
Why did I say killer again? Everything good? No, that light doesn't work. I already tried. Go,
Okay.
go, 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 go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Now, as somebody who's helped many people.
Yard here with a pool. You can skate on it if you're risky. Nope. In fact, you've got 3 acres almost. Nope.
So if you guys would like to go for your own private swim, as always, give us a phone call, the phone number, Home Off Well, and it has a pool. This pool
You can enjoy your swim in whatever bathing suit you like.
or no bathing suit. Nope, don't like that one. We'll try. Brendan, Jess, thanks so much for doing this.
Huge deck with no bushes, so it really looks big.
It's even got a shed and a tree. You don't have that in Barhaven. You know what? I'm gonna keep
We're
talking.
also not in Barhaven.
If you're more into length and girth, you're gonna love this backyard.
Real 585. Okay. As always, real. No, that's not. Fuck. To give it a little try on for size. That's a fucking terrible. Okay, here, I'm gonna hold this this way. Okay, go.
Okay.
Ready?
Been real.
Collective. Nope.